to day 5 of Dream It, Do It. Today we're talking about one of my favourite subjects, which is goal setting. First off, what exactly is the difference between a vision and a goal? A vision is an idea, it's a concept of what we would like in our lives, where we would like to be. It's kind of like a feeling, a desire, a wish, a dream. That is really what our vision is. Goals are the stepping stones that will help us move from where we are now to that vision that we have for ourselves in the future. So it's like the practical steps that we need to achieve to get us to our vision. Today we're going to focus on goals that we have for our life, or longer term goals, so they might be 5-year, 10-year or even longer vision goals. But then in the next couple of days we're going to break those down so that we've got goals for this year and then goals that we can focus on throughout this year. So how do we make sure that the goals we're setting for ourselves are good ones? I always like to use the acronym SMART. This is something which you may have heard of before. It stands for a goal that is specific, it's measurable, it's achievable, it's relevant, and it's time-based. And so when you're setting a goal, as long as it ticks off each of those different points, then you can be sure that you've got a good goal. So let's just use a quick example. Last year I had a goal to lose weight, and I could have set myself a goal that said in 2021 I want to lose weight. The problem with that goal is I don't really know when I've achieved it, or achieved it to the level that I want to lose weight. For example, if I lose 1 pound, have I achieved the goal? I mean, I've lost weight, that's what I said I wanted to do, but realistically I wanted to lose more weight than just 1 pound. So what would have been a better example of a SMART goal is saying, I want to lose this amount of weight in this amount of time. So what I'm doing there is I'm putting actual figures on it. So I think last year my goal was to lose 4 stone. So I said my goal is to lose 4 stone. I'm going to do it by the end of 2021. That goal is specific because I've said exactly what it is that I want to achieve for my goal. It's measurable because I've put a figure on it. It's 4 stone. It felt achievable to me because I felt that it was realistic for me to be able to lose 1 stone per quarter. So 4 stone across the course of a year felt achievable. It was clearly relevant to, I wanted to lose weight and feel more energised and fitter. And it was time bound because I put a date that I wanted to achieve it by. So it wasn't just open-ended and going on forever. So even with goals that are our life goals, we can still have an idea of, okay, at what point in my future life would I ideally like to have achieved that goal by? Otherwise, that life goal could go on and on and on, and we may never give it the focus to look at it. So hopefully that's given you a little bit of help as to how to set a good goal. Today I want us to have a look at setting some goals for the longer term. So we're talking 5-year goals, 10-year goals, or even longer than that, life goals. What are some things, looking at your vision, that you really want to achieve in your life, and what specific goals can you set that will get you towards that vision? So for example, I have a longer term goal to spend more time at Disney World in Orlando in the future. So my goal, I could start to think about, well, what does that look like? Is it working towards getting a holiday home in Orlando, or is it joining the Disney Vacation Club, or is it becoming an annual pass holder? I need to sit down and do some deep thinking on what does that goal look like specifically for me, and by what date do I want to achieve that? What date do I want to achieve it to be able to enjoy it with my family? They're the kinds of things we're looking at now. We've got the vision of what would be lovely, but we're starting the beginning steps when we're setting goals of making it real. So I hope this has been helpful for you today. Do be sure to join me again tomorrow for day 6. Don't forget, give this video a like if you've enjoyed it. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I post my other Dream It, Do It videos. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.